Then there's another method of taking care of the kids during this season. Another method is hot water method. Hot water method. Hot water method. Your child is having cough all the time. Cough. Every time the boy or the girl will be coughing, you have given all this malaria medicine is not work. Cough medicine is not working. Please, can you try hot water? Try hot water. Boil hot water. Bring a small face towel. All this small face towel, big, just minimum small towel that I used to bathe all this newborn baby. Get it. Use it and put inside bucket. Pour hot water inside there. Put small cold water. Normal water that your hand will touch. You know that kind of water that all these women that give birth in Igbo land, miracle ụmụ nwanyị ji ha na-amụ nwaanyị mụrụ nwa. Mee ka ọ dị otu ahụ, aka gị na-abalị ya. Tell that your child to touch your toe. Let them bend down, touch your toe. Use that towel, put inside that bucket of hot water. Bring it out. Press it on her body. All his face, isi niile, bibe miracle, all the faces, the head, all, both the nose, the neck, the chest, the lungs. Use hot water method. It works like magic. When you do it 2 days to 3 days, that cough, you will not see it again. It will cough it out. You will not see that cough again. Stop all the time buying all this cough medicine. Use hot water method. It works like magic. Share this video, please, so that it can help someone. Hot water method. Sorry, don't mind me touching my head. The thing is very painful. Thank you for watching.